I have something very interesting to show you all in this video. A brand new SSD from Kingston. And this is like the Bugatti of all SSDs, guys. Insanely fast and also super expensive. This tiny little drive over here costs almost 40,000 rupees in India. So it's Kingston's new series, guys, KC3000. And this is like a PCIe Gen 4 NVMe SSD and offers insanely fast speeds of up to 7000 Mbps, guys. Like it can literally transform your regular PC into like a Lamborghini or Bugatti PC, guys. So I'm like pretty excited to unbox and show it to you in this video. Let's get started. So here's our new SSD from Kingston, the KC3000 series PCI Gen 4 NVMe SSD. It's a high performance next level drive that offers up to 7000 Mbps read and write speeds. Now this was a sample review unit sent by the brand. That's why the packaging is like this and looks like it's already been opened. So let me just take it out and quickly show you the drive. Available in different capacities starting from 512 GB to all the way up to 4 TB, and we have the humongous 2 TB edition right now. There you go, the Kingston's KC3000 in the hand, and my god, that's a tiny looking drive for such crazy kind of specs. It's got an all black look, even the PCB is black as you can see, and this top area that you see is not a sticker, do not remove. It's actually a low profile graphene aluminum heatsink to keep the drive running cool. Just look at the size of this thing, guys. So slim and compact. And boys, as I've told you, 2048 GB insanely fast storage in the palm of my hands. Like literally, this thing supports 7000 Mbps read and write speeds. Just imagine how fast your PC would be. So what I'll do is I'll quickly set it up, install it in my computer, and be right back to continue. Installing it is very simple. It's got your usual 2280 form factor and sits in all the compatible PCI Gen 4 motherboards. But before actually buying this, make sure that your existing hardware is actually compatible and supports PCI Gen 4. Otherwise, it wouldn't make any sense, right? And I haven't told you about the onboard memory type and controller, right? So this SSD features a 3D TLC NAND and Gen 4x4 Phison E18 NVMe controller. Installation is almost done. Just peel off the sticker, place the heatsink on top of the SSD and tighten the screws. And that's it. We're all done with the installation. So I've been using this drive for the last couple of days and was blown away by the results. So basically what I've done is I split the drive into two parts, 500 GB for the C and 1.5 TB for D drive. 1.5 TB was solely dedicated for my work purpose because I do a lot of 4K video editing and a bit of gaming as well, right? Anyways, talking about the performance, I have already told you, right? Kingston mentioned the KC3000 supports a max sequential data transfer rates of up to 7000 Mbps, which is almost like double than your regular PCI Gen 3 SSD. Well, we're gonna put that to a test in this video. We'll be doing a bit of benchmarks as well as real world tests and check out the results. I've already ran Crystal Disk Mark and holy moly, look at those numbers! We've got a max sequential read speeds of up to 7357 Mbps and a sequential write speed of up to 6883 Mbps. This is madness, guys. One of the fastest drives in my collection. And just for your info, the KC3000 is almost 14 times faster than your regular SATA SSD. Just imagine comparing this with a regular hard disk, guys. Completely blows it away. One thing I do have to mention is we have the 2 TB variant, right? Only this and 4 TB variants have this fast write speeds. Again, the basic 512 GB variant has a bit less performance compared to this. So do have a look at the specs while buying. Coming to the real world test, what I'll be doing is I'll be copying some files to and fro and show you the results. First of all, let's copy this 4K files folder from the drive to the desktop. And as you can see, we're getting around 2.5 Gbps transfer speeds. What? That is insanely fast. I could copy a 30 GB folder in just 10 to 11 seconds. Now that is the kind of performance I'm talking about. Same was the case while copying files from the desktop to the drive as well. Now one more test. This time I'll be copying the same folder but from the KC3000 drive to an external portable SSD. Okay, right now as you can see, on an average we are getting around 315 Mbps, and this is almost like 2 times faster compared to my other PC which actually has PCI Gen 3 SSD. Okay, I have to say I'm quite impressed with the results. It's a very good performing drive from Kingston, excellent transfer speeds. I was mostly using this drive for my 4K video editing and gaming, and during my test period it didn't let me down. In case if you're upgrading from a hard disk or a regular SATA SSD to this Gen 4 NVMe drive, you will literally be shocked by the results. The only thing I felt is the price of these Gen 4 SSDs are a bit expensive, guys. My 2 TB variant costs around 39,990 rupees, and if you look at the 4 TB edition, that's almost 95,000 rupees. Links for these will be in the description box below. You can check it out there. Well, that is pretty much it. This is what I wanted to show you all in this video. I hope you all enjoyed watching it. Make sure to smash that like button and subscribe to my channel for more such awesome videos. And I'll see you all in my next one.